welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the E.L.F XO Nabela collection. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. I purchased 2 out of the 3 products that she collaborated with E.L.F. So let's go ahead and get started with the lip kit. This is what the packaging looks like. It says E.L.F. at the top, and then you do get the lip liner and the liquid lip, and when you flip it over, here is the back. I love the design she chose for the packaging. It is beautiful. On the back of the packaging, it does say, "This is my kind of cocktail. This lip liner and liquid lipstick duo gives you the perfect pinky nude pout. The liner is in a deeper contouring shade designed to create a natural shadow. The liquid lipstick is a long-wearing yet comfortable formula, designed to be your daily go-to shade. It was important to me to design a lip shade that flattered virtually every skin tone, and I hope you love them as much as I do. Nabela." Let's go ahead and open this up. This does retail for $10. The packaging is super pretty on the inside. It's hot pink. Here's the lip liner and the matte liquid lipstick. It is so beautiful. I just love the design. So let's go ahead and first swatch the lip liner. Ooh, so creamy. That's what the lip liner looks like. And I love that this is wooden so you can sharpen it. Again, here we have the matte liquid lipstick. Let's go ahead and open this up. I love the applicator on the wand. Wow, this is a beautiful nude shade. I definitely think this would work. So let's go ahead and apply this on the lip. First, I'm going to line my lips with the lip liner. The lip liner is so creamy and it's super pigmented too. I was not expecting that. I was expecting a dry lip liner. Wow. It goes on so easily. I think I'm just going to fill it in. I love the lip liner on its own. Let's see what it looks like with the matte liquid lipstick. Wow. Super pigmented as soon as I applied it. This lip combo is beautiful on me. I was not expecting to fall in love with it, but I actually really do love this lip combo. It complements my skin complexion. For some reason, I thought this lip combo would be too cool tone for me, but it is beautiful. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I wish my natural lips looked like this because this is gorgeous. So let's go ahead and play with the highlighter. It says E.L.F. and then XO Nabela, and then the packaging again is stunning. I just love the beautiful flowers imprinted all over the sides and at the top too. It is gorgeous. You can tell that a lot of thought went into the packaging. And let's see what this highlighter looks like. Again, we do have the hot pink packaging, and then the highlighter is squeezed in. This is a lot of highlighter. This retails for $8. This is very affordable. Let's open this up. So here's what the inside looks like. Let's just remove the cap. It looks like the cap does not come off. It does say peel off and dial. Here's what the highlighter looks like. I'm just gonna take some and just tap it on the cap. So here's what the highlighter looks like. Again, I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Whoa, that is super intense. I don't think I can wear this highlighter. I'm just gonna swatch the highlighter down here. Wow, this highlighter is so blinding. I don't even wear highlighters. You guys know I'm not a highlighter person. I'm still trying out highlighters, but this highlighter is super intense, very pigmented. I can probably use this as an eyeshadow. We'll try that for sure. But that highlighter is gorgeous. I have a little bit of highlighter on the cap. I'm just going to be using my highlighter brush. I'm going to dip into it. Don't want to take too much, just a little bit. I have a little bit of highlighter on my brush, so let's see what this looks like. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, that is so blinding. Nabela, you did that. That is intense. I need to blend this out with my finger. You also want to apply it to my eyes. I'm going to apply the highlighter on this side of my cheek. Again, super intense. Just taking my finger and just blending it in. It gives it that natural glow. I really like this highlighter. It blends really nicely It's super pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. I blended out the highlighter using my fingertips and it looks a little bit better. It wasn't too intense. So here's the left side of my cheek. I love this highlighter. I feel like if you're a highlighter fanatic, you will love this highlighter. I'm not into highlighters, but I really do enjoy this. So here's the other side of my cheek. It's beautiful. I have a little bit of the highlighter on this brush. I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner. Wow. Do you guys see that? That is so intense. I literally dipped my brush in just a teeny tiny bit. I know it looks like a lot on this brush, but it was just a teeny bit, just a tap, and look how pigmented. Wow. The highlighter is so pigmented. 10 out of 10 would recommend. This is just intense. Here's how everything looks like, the highlighter with the lip combo. I love this so much. Nabela, congratulations on your collaboration with E.L.F. This collection is beautiful. I wanted to purchase the brushes from this collection, and normally I don't purchase a ton of brushes. I purchase individual brushes if I need to. I really did not need more brushes in my collection, but if you guys are interested in the brush set, they're right here so you guys can see what the brush set does look like. It comes with 5 different brushes. It just looks beautiful. I love the pink. It is so girly. The 5 different brushes that you get in this set is a pointed powder brush. She loves to use a powder brush for all types of powder on her face, powdering, foundation, and setting powder being her absolute faves. A highlighting brush, which you can definitely use with this highlighter. She does say the highlighting brush is perfect to apply the glow highlighter, and it also can be used to buff on bronzer. It also comes with a dome stippling brush. The stippling blush brush is of course her go-to for blush and can be used for any powder product that you want to apply with more breathable coverage. It also comes with a flat eyeshadow brush. The flat eyeshadow brush can be used to apply your favorite everyday eyeshadow or can be used to pack on beautiful intense color and pigment for a glamorous eye look. And the last brush it comes with is a crease brush. She absolutely loves to use the eyeshadow blending brush to buff in color in her crease, and she also loves that this brush can double as a perfect tool to buff in concealer. Her brushes in this collection is 100% vegan and cruelty free. It's a beautiful brush set. It retails for $20. If you wanted to purchase the entire collection, you get the lip kit and you get the highlighter. That retails for $35, which I think is an amazing price, plus the metallic clutch. It is gorgeous. My final thoughts on this collection is that I love it. I love the lip combo. It is beautiful on me, and it'll be beautiful on deeper complexions, Indian complexions, brown complexions. I think everybody can wear this lip combo because it just flatters everyone. It's universal. I love the lip combo. The highlighter is super intense. I love the highlighter, and I definitely will need to play with this highlighter a little bit more. For me personally, I don't think I'll be using this as a highlighter. Maybe I'll use this as an inner corner for my eyes, or maybe all over for the lid. I can't really do highlighter. It's just not me. I feel like I'm trying too hard, but this highlighter looks beautiful on me. I just love when I turn. It's beautiful. It looks kind of natural on me, like a glow within. I feel like I'm trying too hard to do the highlighter, but definitely if you guys are a highlighter fanatic, or if you guys love wearing highlighters, you will love this. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.